Piko.
A quiet winter morning. Soft snow falls gently from the sky. Piko, the panda, and Milo, the little lion, are outside, playing happily. They laugh and make snowballs together. The snow feels cold, but their hearts feel warm. Soon, Piko and Milo start skating on the snow. They glide, smile, and enjoy every moment. The winter day feels magical. While playing, they walk toward the forest. Milo points ahead and both friends move together forward. Tall trees surround them as they walk deeper inside. Piko stops near a tree. Milo runs playfully behind him. They are still having fun. Suddenly, the sky begins to change. Evening is coming. Piko and Milo look up and realize it's time to go home. They start walking back, but the snow grows thicker. The cold wind becomes stronger. Something doesn't feel right. The storm is coming. Dark clouds move fast. The wind howls loudly. They try to run, but it's hard. Piko feels tired. His steps slow down. The storm grows stronger. Suddenly, Piko loses his strength. He slips and falls softly into the snow.
Piko.
Milo, worried, says, "Piko, Piko." Milo reaches Piko quickly. He gently shakes him, but Piko does not open his eyes. Milo's heart fills with fear. Milo looks around the forest. Snow falls harder. The storm is strong. He knows he must find help, fast. Milo runs through the snow. He runs and runs, calling for help inside his heart. The wind pushes him. The storm tries to stop him, but Milo does not give up. Suddenly, Milo stops. Far ahead, a warm light shines. A small cabin appears through the snow. Hope fills Milo's eyes. Milo turns back immediately. He runs as fast as he can, back through the storm, back to Piko. Milo helps Piko up. Step by step, he supports him. Together, they move toward the cabin. The light grows brighter. They reach the door. The door opens. Warmth surrounds them. Inside, it is safe and warm. Piko rests peacefully. Milo stays close by his side. Outside, the storm continues, but inside, friendship wins.